Hi everyone, my name is Tim and I'm in California. I'm a CPAP user. I've only been on about a year. I started out with the full face. I still use it, I have it, but you know, I'm trying to find better ways to sleep better with less on your face and more sleep in your body, okay, to keep you going. This is the Bleep system right here. The hose connects to the CPAP machine. It's got two magnets on it. These little adhesives go around my nose, okay? They don't hurt. You clean your nose off real good, rubbing alcohol or witch hazel. It's got little magnets. I'm gonna take these here and I'm gonna hook them in. I'm a mouth breather, so I'll put on tape after I hook this up. I'm not gonna do that now, but anyway, you set your machine on nasal or full face, whatever. Okay? We're all hooked up, I'm ready to go. All I gotta do is put on my mouth tape and I'm ready to go to sleep. The starter kit runs about $90. The inventor of the Bleep maskless system is Stewart, his name. He was the inventor of it. It's the newest setup. I know it looks strange, but look at, the whole hose is hanging. It's not coming loose. It's not leaking. I'm ready to go, okay? So if you want something that's nice and easy to set up, you can go through an insurance provider, whatever. But like I said, nights when my nose is not plugged up, I'm going to use the Bleep system. I think it's fantastic. Get a good night's sleep. And I thank you, Stewart. God bless you, sir. You're a good man. Thank you so much. Everybody out there in America, have a great day. And God bless you and God bless America. Good night's sleep with a bleep. Thank you.